Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Mr. Speaker, I am grateful that you've allowed me this opportunity to make my budget speech for the budget financial year 2024-25 and the supplementary budget 2023-24. Sir, let me begin by thanking Almighty Allah for this immense honor and opportunity. I am truly humbled to present the budget in the Provincial Assembly of Sindh for the 12th time. Today, I am laying a record balanced budget of rupees 3 trillion 56 billion for the fiscal year 2024-25 in front of the representatives of the people of Sindh. Mr. Speaker, sir, the Pakistan People's Party has been elected for the 4th consecutive term by the people of Sindh, and we are mindful of what this signifies. That we enjoy the continued trust of the people and have been able to justify this trust by consistent delivery. It is indeed humbling. The credit of this goes entirely to the workers and the leadership of Pakistan People's Party. People's recognition of Pakistan People's Party's work from 2008 to 2023 through their resounding mandate in the general elections of 2024 has reinvigorated the PP's peace mission from Prime Minister Shahid Zulfikar Ali Bhutto, who first envisioned the transfer of power to the people, to his valiant daughter, Shahid Mohtarma Benazir Bhutto, who spent her life struggling to fulfill her father's mission. We have been guided by forces true only to the people and the land, and they in turn have been guided and inspired by the teachings of Baba-e-Qaum Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Today, sir, President Asif Ali Zardari and Chairman Bilawal Bhutto Zardari carry the torch of these beliefs and the promise of a better tomorrow. And it's towards this better tomorrow for the people of this land for which we continue to strive.